Actions.
Stand.
Stand. Stand.
The little girl stands beneath a colorful umbrella.
Crawl.
Crawl. Crawl. How far can you crawl?
Sit.
Sit. Sit.
Are you sitting now?
Play.
Play. Play.
Playing with friends is really joyful.
Stand.
Stand.
Crawl.
Crawl.
Sit.
Sit.
Play.
Play.
Drink.
Drink. Drink.
We can drink from a cup or a bottle. Eat.
Eat. Eat. When we are hungry, we eat. Drink.
Drink.
Eat.
Eat. Run.
Run. Run.
Running is a good way to get strong and fit.
Read.
Read. Read.
Reading a book is a good way to spend your free time. Do you agree? Jump.
Jump. Jump.
Let's jump up high.
Right.
Right. Right.
We can write with pencils, pens, or markers.
Run.
Run.
Read.
Read.
Jump.
Jump.
Right.
Right. Wave.
Wave. Wave. Do you wave to friends when you see them? Kick.
Kick. Kick.
Do you like to kick a ball? Wave.
Wave. Kick.
Kick. Read.
Read.
Smile.
Smile. Smile.
We smile when we are happy.
Laugh.
Laugh. Laugh.
We laugh when we hear or see something funny.
Smile.
Smile.
Laugh.
Laugh.
Walk.
Walk. Walk. To walk, we place one foot in front of the other.
Point.
Point. Point.
Can you point to your nose right now? Walk.
Walk.
Point.
Point.